Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share brand new Click Home Income v2.1. The world's first system that gives us 7 income streams. Exposed, new secret system unlocks 7 income streams and pays us $29 over and over. By completing simple online tasks. In just a few clicks. No experience is required. No big investments. No fixed work hours. The more tasks we complete, the more $29 payments we get. Literally takes one click, just hit complete and you're done. Ridiculously easy, no experience required. Zero traffic needed to profit. Absolutely straightforward with no extra expenses. 30-day money-back guarantee. Free gift. First 150 buyers also get Click Home Income VIP Triple Your Income Deluxe Edition, worth $497 minus 100% free. Imagine 7 income streams paying you an average of $29 each equals $203. Just imagine clicking a few clicks and activating 7 fresh streams of income that pays you $29 each. $29 by 7 equals $203. Yes, what you are seeing are $29 payments flowing into my account. From 7 different sources created within one single system. These come in over and over again on a daily basis. And all we have to do is complete simple tasks that are given to us in 10 minutes with a secret system. That's $203 streaming into your bank account in less than 10 minutes. The more you click to complete, the more you'll make. Look at this screenshot below. The best part about this all? We don't need any special skills or training, just internet access. You've got that figured out, right? The tasks are given to us and simply let our proprietary software work for us, and get paid $29 each time it's completed. Yup, it really is that simple. Picture this out. If we complete 5 simple tasks we make $145. If we complete 10 simple tasks we make $290. If we complete 20 simple tasks we make $580. And if we complete 50 simple tasks, that makes us a whopping $1,450. See how quickly that adds up? Remember, this isn't rocket science, nor is it hard work. All we have to do is to let our software complete these tasks for you in 10 minutes. We're paid $29 on average per income stream. And we simply multiply that by 7 for completing 7 different tasks simultaneously. If you want to know more about this product, check my description link and visit this site. Thank you for watching my video, like and share. Subscribe to my channel to get updates.